Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. I'm Anna, and today we're taking off. We're going to the airport and learning all the English you need when you travel by plane, airplane. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and learn English with us every week. Okay, ready? Let's go to the airport together.
Hi, good morning. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go. We often say, here you go, when giving something politely. It's like, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase. Check in your luggage means to give your big bag to the airline. You won't carry it on the plane.
Please place it on the scale. Great. Your bag is 18 kilos. All good. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you so much. What gate is it? A gate is where you go to get on your plane. You can find it on your boarding pass.
Gate 12. Boarding starts at 8:30.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too, and have a great flight.
Scene 2. Going through security. Hi, where should I put my bag?
Please place your bag and phone in the tray.
Okay. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. And your jacket, too.
At security, take off means remove. Take off your shoes, jacket, or belt for checking. Wow, traveling is a workout.
Yes, it is. You're good to go.
You're good to go means everything's fine. You can continue or move on. Scene 3. Waiting at the gate. Finally, time to relax. I'll get a coffee.
Hi there. What would you like today?
A cappuccino, please.
Small or large?
Small, please. Oh, and can I pay by card?
Sure. That'll be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Thanks. I can't wait to board. Board means to get on the plane. So, I can't wait to board means I'm excited to get on the plane. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. Thank you. I'm in seat 14A.
Right this way. Would you like some water?
Yes, please. It's so warm today.
Here you are.
Thank you. When will we take off? Take off means when the plane leaves the ground. It's the start of your flight.
In about 10 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Got it. I'm ready. Fasten your seatbelt means put on your seatbelt, like when you're in a car, for safety. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me.
Where are you flying today? May I see your passport, please? Do you have any luggage to check in? Have a nice flight. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Great job! Remember, practice speaking out loud. That's how you improve. Let's review today's key phrases.
Where are you flying today? May I see your passport, please? Do you have any luggage to check in? Have a nice flight. Can I pay by card? Please fasten your seatbelt.
Now you can travel with confidence and speak English like a pro. That's it for today's lesson at the airport. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Where would you like to travel next? See you next time, and remember, let's speak up English every day.